Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from MPIinvest.com. So, talking about the markets first, the markets are markets. So, yesterday it opened with such a big gap down, and from there, a big rally at the end of the day, last 1 hour, the kind of rally that came up. Oh my god, majorly powered by the PSU banks, banking sector overall. In fact, it was the Bank Nifty expiry yesterday, and then Bank Nifty just broke out, and the Nifty also kind of has made a major reversal and rebounded from the low. In fact, if you look at yesterday, the US markets, we had discussed yesterday in the morning that yesterday being the Bank Nifty expiry, we might see volatility, and not only that, since it was a gap down, naturally it was tending to go up, and then US markets were kind of stabilized after the fall, so things were kind of okay, and then it moved up. So as of now, markets are again looking bullish at this point of time, but then today is the weekly expiry that could again add volatility to the market. But then the way the markets have actually closed yesterday in the Europe and the US, I would say yesterday both of them are closed in big positive, so that was probably led, I mean, of course the rally started from India, so we may not see a major gap up today, but of course a gap up opening is expected. But one very important thing is 22,000 would be the major resistance to be watched out at this point of time. But the way the markets are opening, if it opens high, close to 22,000 also, a lot of people in the options front were sitting at 22,000 C, and those people who may square off, and if that happened, that can lead to further rally. So initial 1 hour, there are chances the market could actually see a major rally, and after that we might see the markets kind of consolidating. So this is my expectation for today. I'm not expecting a big rally today because most of the important data has come in, I mean results have come, so nothing really there to actually power the rally. But then the most important thing is that how the market would settle today. Why? Because will it cross about 22,000 and close, or will it close below 22,000 is the question, because in intraday it may go about 22,000, but will it close about 22,000? If it closes, that would be really bullish stance, and we might see the market rebounding further. But if it kind of takes a resistance around 22,000, we might see the market kind of going sideways for some more time. But however, today being the expiry, things are going to be a little tough. So let's see how things go. Yesterday, if you see the institutionals, FIS were still on the selling side. They've sold for more than 3,000 crores, while the DIs have bought for more than 2,000 crores. So at this point of time, like I told you yesterday, yesterday's fast rally, because whenever the rally is so fast, it is more of a short covering rally. So that's something that could be expected today also. We might see a short covering rally in the initial phase. After that, what happens after the first 1 hour is something that we need to watch out. So let's see how the markets behave. And of course, I'm happy that some of our investors have invested yesterday into the market, into the few funds that we have. They must be happy about, the people destined for yesterday who are invested must be happy about the investment kind of seeing to grow. But then, of course, it's not something that you need to be excited about at this point of time, because investment into equity should be something that you should not be tracking on a daily basis, but maybe once a year. That's more than enough, as long as you've invested into a good fund where you don't have to manage stocks. But if you are invested directly in stocks, yes, you need to watch on a daily basis, understand the markets, track the stocks that you're invested in. That's a headache, isn't it? That's exactly why we have beautifully built portfolios of stocks where you really don't have to monitor which stock, and these are all managed by SEBI registered analysts who are legally entitled to do so with their expertise. And the returns that they give are also amazing. So if you want to start investing with peace of mind, start investing with us, and we will help you with the right portfolio to start investing. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off from MPI Invest, your one-stop shop for all your investment and insurance needs. That could be a FD, that could be SIP, that could be a PMS or an AAF. Your one-stop location is MPI Invest. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Let's see how the market goes. I've got some positions which can go into slight trouble in trading. So trading is something which I always say is not a cup of tea of everyone. In fact, this is something which needs a different kind of strategy and game. So at this point of time, yes, some of our positions are getting into trouble, but then I am okay because of the right hedges that we have. And let's see how we manage it and come out of it. It's going to be a thrilling day, of course. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye. Have a great day. Let's catch up tomorrow with more details.